Right, but let's talk about what's happening back home. As far as D Street is concerned, markets are holding out very firmly. You have Nifty gaining close to 78, 80 odd points. Sensex is up close to 300 points. So good gains coming in as far as D Street is concerned. Early first half of the session is looking quite upbeat.
Right, Karanya, most definitely is. And you said pharma is doing well. Well, we have a pharma pick this morning. Dr. Reddy is in the back of that result yesterday, which saw decent revenue hold up and margin expansion. Much to everyone's surprise, today sees a host of upgrades, pouring in from brokers. So you have CITI, which has raised their revenue guidance now for FY21 and 22, and they've also raised their EBIT and EPS forecast by around 5 to 7%. So the target price based on this brokerage upgrade comes to around 5,000 rupees per share, giving it a 22 times 1 year forward EPS multiple.
Right, let's talk about some more gainers that are in focus on back of Q1 report card. You have MARUTI in extremely top shape. JP Morgan says investors should now look beyond what happened in Q1. They've maintained overweight. The target that they have given, 67.50 rupees a share. Credit Suisse is also quite upbeat. They've also maintained an outperformance stance. The target that Credit Suisse is given is even higher, 7,009 rupees a piece.
Okay, and taking a look at aviation, something we haven't spoken about for a while on Buy Now Sell Now, seems to be flying high today, and that's Interglobe Aviation. Indigo says that they expect the fare caps to be removed soon so they can start charging more. Strong demand has been seen in the first 20 days of July, and they say that the second wave of lockdown has definitely impacted their demand. So what they see is as Unlock 3.0 gathers more momentum, fixed cash burn should decline as their operations resume. And they're also in talks with OEMs about the lease costs for a lot of their aircraft. So that stock has been fairly buoyant today, and some good cues coming out of there this morning.
Meanwhile, Bharti Airtel in focus, they delivered their numbers last evening, and despite an overall okay set, they failed to enthuse the markets. It's perhaps the extremely massive AGR provisioning that's hurting the investor sentiment, because the margins did see a healthy expansion. ARPOs have come in way higher as well. So this one is looking pretty quiet as of now, up by just about 0.3%.
Right, Karanya, Airtel's been rather quiet given that the numbers are pretty decent, and they're just really lagging behind Reliance. They really wonder why that is. But speaking of Reliance, their results are today, and it's going to be a key number to look out for. It could be a muted quarter for them given everything that's happened with crude. But the poll suggests that the COVID impact is likely to be higher on the refining and retail businesses. So that's for Reliance. In addition to that, we also have another index heavyweight, HDFC Limited, putting out its numbers today. We also have Tatacom, which has been on an absolute tear, circuit a couple days ago, and then very strong. That's also putting out numbers today, and we should look forward to all these earnings.